Welcome to US Drone Mama, your window to the world's most breathtaking places. Today we're discovering Nepal village, where ancient traditions dance with the mighty Himalayas, and time seems to stand still in the shadow of the world's highest peaks. As our drone soars over this remote Nepalese settlement, we're witnessing a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The terraced fields, carved into the mountainside like nature's own amphitheater, tell stories of generations who have worked this land with nothing but their hands and determination. These stone and wooden houses, with their distinctive slate roofs and prayer flags fluttering in the mountain breeze, are masterpieces of traditional Nepalese architecture. Each structure is carefully built to withstand the harsh mountain climate, using techniques passed down through countless generations. Notice how the homes seem to grow organically from the mountainside, as if they're extensions of the earth itself. In the heart of the village, you'll spot the communal water tap, a gathering place where women collect water in traditional brass vessels called Jhankri. This isn't just a practical necessity, it's a social hub where village news spreads and community bonds are strengthened. The sound of running water here mingles with children's laughter and the gentle tinkling of prayer bells. The agricultural terraces you see stretching into the distance represent an ingenious farming system developed over millennia. These stepped platforms prevent soil erosion while maximizing the limited arable land in these steep mountain regions. During the monsoon season, these terraces transform into glistening mirrors, reflecting the sky as rice paddies fill with water. Local legend speaks of mountain spirits called Jhankri who protect these villages. Villagers still leave offerings at small shrines scattered throughout the settlement, maintaining an ancient connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. These beliefs have shaped the village's layout, with certain spaces reserved for ritual purposes and community gatherings. If you're enjoying this journey, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps US Drone Mama bring you more incredible aerial adventures from around the world. As we glide over the village center, notice the intricate wood carvings adorning the windows and doorways. These aren't merely decorative, they tell stories of Hindu deities and Buddhist teachings, reflecting Nepal's unique religious harmony. Many of these designs have been carved by the same family of artisans for generations, preserving patterns that date back centuries. The smoke rising from chimneys carries the scent of traditional Nepalese cooking, dal bhat, lentils and rice, perhaps, or momos steaming in kitchen corners. These culinary traditions are as much a part of village life as the mountains themselves. During festivals, the entire community gathers to prepare elaborate feasts, strengthening the bonds that hold this remote society together. Look closely at the narrow pathways winding between houses. These aren't just walkways, they're the village's lifelines, carefully maintained by the community. During monsoon season, these paths become crucial drainage channels, protecting homes from the heavy rains. Every stone has been placed with purpose, every turn calculated to work with the mountain's natural contours. The village's relationship with the surrounding forest is equally fascinating. Those patches of trees you see aren't random, they're sacred groves, protected for generations. These forests provide essential resources while being carefully managed through ancient conservation practices that modern environmentalists are only now beginning to appreciate. Notice the small school building with its bright blue roof, a relatively recent addition to village life. Here, ancient wisdom meets modern education, as children learn both their ancestral traditions and the skills needed for the 21st century. The playground, though simple, offers arguably the most spectacular view of any school in the world, with snow-capped peaks forming an inspiring backdrop. As we drift higher, observe how the village pattern follows ancient Vastashastra principles, traditional Hindu architectural guidelines. The layout isn't random but carefully planned to harmonize with natural energy flows and celestial alignments. This wisdom has helped the village survive countless earthquakes and harsh weather conditions. In the distance, you might spot porters carrying supplies along ancient trade routes. These paths have connected Himalayan communities for thousands of years, facilitating not just commerce but cultural exchange. Some of these trails were once part of the salt trade route between Tibet and India, carrying not just goods but ideas, art, and innovation across the roof of the world. The village's sustainability practices would impress any modern environmentalist. From natural fertilizers to water conservation systems, these communities have developed sophisticated ecological knowledge over centuries of mountain living. Every aspect of village life is designed to work in harmony with the challenging mountain environment. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, this is US Drone Mama, reminding you that the world is beautiful from above. See you in the skies.